Good evening, everyone. We are live at 8:42 p.m. and we're battling for Shawn'S carded Tig Fromm droids figure. Pretty awesome battle we got going here. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big old winner. Copy our list and take it over to random here. Hopefully we have 100, and we do. So we are in great shape for a pretty big battle. I'm going to roll the bones. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 7. We'll be lucky for someone. Here we go, guys. Get ready. Here comes a battle. Round 1 goes to Mr. Harmon. As I stroll through the list here. Next round, Josh takes round 2 in at number 31. Troy, round 3 in at number 81. And round 4, number 26. Salvador in at round 5. Abdul takes our next to list round 6 with number 71. Bringing us to the money round. The last round 7. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Brian Harmon in at number 79. Congrats, Brian. We'll take a jaunt down the list here. There they all are. Here's the verification to make things legit. HIJJTK is our verification code. Brian Harmon in at number 79 is the champion of this particular battle. Meaning I am done at 8:44 p.m. There it is. One last time, here's the results. Brian in at number 79. Congratulations, sir. See you next time, guys. Thanks as always.